I've got a bad CV joint in my 90 Corolla here, and I've known it was going out for years. I noticed a split in the boot, maybe, God, probably at least 3 years ago. And I was reading about it, and a lot of people said, you know, just don't worry about it until it starts clicking. And you know, once it starts doing that, you can replace the whole half shaft axle, and be done with it. A lot less trouble than trying to replace just one boot. And sounded like a good idea to me. So it's finally gotten to the point where it's clicking pretty badly now, and so I'm going to replace it. Before I get going too much on this, I just wanted to show you what this thing looks like right now. Not a whole lot left of that boot. Okay, now I'm going to beat on this thing to knock it in a little bit, to break it loose from this hub. So you want to make sure this nut is on here and it's backed out enough to where you're not going to totally screw up the end of this shaft here. Now that was easy. Okay, now I'm going to have to take these three nuts loose here to separate this lower control arm. Get it off of there so I can swing this this whole hub and everything out of the way and pull the shaft out of there, the axle shaft. And these are all 17 millimeters, so I'm going to use this this breaker bar. Okay, get this pry bar in here and just give it a couple of whacks and hopefully that thing will come out. And this one gets torqued to 137 foot-pounds. Once you get it all back together, don't forget to refill your transmission oil, or maybe change it while you're in there. I discovered that mine was quite low, and you probably noticed in the video it was also very dirty. So I changed it. It takes 3 liters of 90 weight oil, and the fill plug is in the front of the engine, or in the front of the transmission. Just pull the lower cover off. You got those 2 covers that go from the front of the car to just under the engine, one on each side, passenger and the driver's side. Pull the one off on the driver's side, and right on the front there you'll see a 22 millimeter nut about halfway up, and that is the fill plug. And it looks exactly like the drain plug. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and Merry Christmas, or Happy Hanukkah, or happy whatever holiday you celebrate this time of year. Okay, thanks.